All right, so you want to grow onions, but you don't have a whole bunch of space. Well, just so happens we ran an experiment and we're getting ready to harvest it because the wind finally got to it. So I legit started these onions back in December, seed, and we put them in cups to get them started to do transplants later on. Well, most of them died. And then for small space gardening, I was like, well, we can try to see how this would do in the house. Well, then I ended up moving them outside whenever I got everything cleaned. So I figured now, since the stems broke, which is about the time once the stem snaps over like that, you're going to want to harvest them because after that they'll start rotting, which hasn't been a problem here. So after being in that cup that long, that's what we ended up with. It's not terrible, not great, but not bad. So I mean, you could still grow small onions even in a very tiny space. So now what we're going to do to help preserve this a little bit longer is we're going to take it over to the hanging rack. And essentially, just like the garlic, I'm going to pick a spot and I'm just going to set it on there. Leave dirt, everything, and just let it dry out for about 2-3 weeks. And when it's ready, we'll pull it down.